Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today, like I'm sharing with you, I've been using Clove for 3 weeks now. How it's working, friends, like I'm telling you, it's here to Clove. Like my hair has really improved. So now I'm going to share with you how to make it. Of course, I've shared 2 ways on how to make Clove. I'm going to link the videos in the description box below. So you can purchase Clove in Indian shops or any shops around your area where they sell spices or in the market to be able to find your cloves. So friends, like we are in a challenge of 1 month and it's now 3 weeks of using clove. So clove is very good because it prevents premature of graying hair, and it can also prevent this condition due to its high eugenol content. So eugenol has antioxidant properties that can protect your hair shaft and follicles from oxidation damage. It also increases pigment levels that soothes hair its natural hue. So it also kept hair loss, like environmental pollutants, genetics, poor diet, and hair containing harsh chemicals all contributes to this hair loss. So Clove will prevent excessive hair loss. It will strengthen your hair shaft and promote growth of hair. So friends, like my hair actually are staining so black. You are going to actually see. So I'm measuring 50 grams of our Clove. So friends, like I've shared quite a number of videos on Clove. I'm going to link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below. Share this video, friends. So I'm just showing the close up of our Clove. So Clove promotes hair growth. Clove contains eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. This compound contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for the scalp. So eugenol also has certain androgen properties, thus it can slow down the effects of androgens on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth in people suffering from androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. So I'm using the cold method. So I've actually done 2 methods. So this is the cold infusion that I'm doing. Then I'm going to let it sit for 5 days and you're going to see how the color will be changed, like it will turn into brown. So continue watching this video because I'm going to share with you how I've been using Clove correctly. So now I'm pouring in 150 grams of our cold water. So this is cold infusion. You can even use hot infusion. So it's been 5 days of infusing. That is how it looks like. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, share this video, comment in the section below. Like this really helps us. It means a lot, friends. Like when you subscribe, when you comment, when you share, this means a lot and we want to grow this channel. And if you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing, friends. Yes, and comment in the section below if you have tried out Clove. So now I'm using Clove. So if yesterday, if you had checked out my video, I did send how I did this hairstyle. Like we can't keep this hairstyle in for days because it's that time to moisturize our hair. So like it's been actually 3 weeks of using Clove, and Clove is working wonders for our hair. Our hair has gotten thicker, it has gotten darker, and it's voluminous. So if you've been on this channel, actually you agreed to my testification to say that indeed our hair is growing, friends. So friends, like if you want to see growth, make sure that you are consistent, taking care of your natural hair. You are preventing breakage, you are preventing damage. And one thing that I also do apart from Clove, I don't use heat. Like I only use heat when I'm deep conditioning my hair. So if you want to see growth, make sure that you are taking care of your natural hair and you are not doing any damage to it. So we are super, super excited, friends. Like share with me the joy of a Clove. Yes, comment in the section below, friends. So now I'm going to use our Clove. So I'll be working in sections by section. This is one way I've been using Clove. And if you are in protective hairstyle, usually I do low maintenance hairstyles. If you know better, if you've been long on this channel. So of course this hairspray wasn't spraying, so we are going to pump it more so that it start pumping. So it has started. So you spray your Clove on the hair strands, at the scalp, everywhere, friends. Like it won't clog your pores, it will work wonders. So look at that, friends, like our hair is growing and it's looking voluminous, right? And it's dark. It's dark, friends. Look at that. So I'm working it through and I massage and I spray on the edges, I mean on the tip of our hair, because that's what determines length. So now make sure that you go in with any oil. So I'm going in with strengthening herbal hair growth oil to seal in the moisture. So like using Clove, this will actually prevent damage, will prevent dryness, will prevent any breakage. And then I'll braid that section and move on to another section. So Clove will also add shine to your hair. So Clove is a natural conditioner and helps to lock in the moisture in the hair, and it can be used as an effective treatment for dull, dry hair. Clove will also reduce split ends and frizzy hair, giving your hair that shine and that lustrous hair. And it will also treat dandruff. That's one of the reasons why I'm spraying it on the scalp, friends. So if you have any issues with the dandruff, itchy flakes, I'm telling you, all those issues are going to be of the past. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below. I really appreciate, friends, for your love and your support. I genuinely love you, friends. It's not something that I'm saying so that I can make you happy. Yes, I love you and virtual hugs to you, beloved. So I'll continue doing the same. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and continue watching our video, friends. I'm going to show you how our hair looked, friends. So at this point, we are almost done, friends. So Clove has really worked wonders for my hair. I can testify. It's been actually 3 weeks, like I mentioned earlier on. So we are remaining with only 1 week. So of course, I had a challenge with the spray bottle because my hands were slippery. They became slippery because of the oil. So that's the reason why I'm holding the spray bottle with 2 hands so that we can have that grip. Yes, so you can use actually Clove twice per week or once per week, depending on your preference. Yes, and make sure that you go in with an oil. Yes, so this will prevent damage because Clove can actually make your hair dry. So I don't experience that dryness because I always go in with an oil to seal in the moisture, or you can even go in with a butter. But I'm not using a butter. I'm just using the oil. That is just my preference. You can go in with a butter if you so wish. Yeah, so if you're trying to grow out your hair, make sure that you try out Clove and make sure that you're preventing any damage. You are not using excessive heat and you are not manipulating your hair, like make sure that you get your hands off your hair. Of course, this is difficult, but make sure that you don't frequently like touch your hair. The only time you touch your hair is when you're doing some treatments, but in between, leave your hair alone, friends. And I'm telling you, you're going to see the results. And you have to make sure that you exercise some patience. And of course, as you may be aware, patience is actually a gift from the Lord. If you ask from it, He'll give it liberally to you, because He cares for you, and He doesn't like He can't deny you whatever you ask. In the name of Jesus, He gives you. Yes, so continue watching, friends, and make sure that if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video, give this video a like, friends. So as you can see, like our hair has drastically improved, friends. So I'm actually on a journey to a longer hair, friends, and I've been exercising patience, and I've been doing all I can, and I've been praying about it. Yes, because with God all things are possible. Yes, to he who believes. So at this point, I'm spraying it on the edges. It's also perfect for the edges, friends. If you have alopecia, thinning hair, receding hairline, Clove will also work. What is important is as long as you are not manipulating your hair, because you might have a good product, friends, and then you are manipulating your hair, you are damaging your hair. That product it's not going to work. So you need to do away with practices that damage your hair. So now I'm going to massage the scalp, after spraying it with some Clove. This promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth, and it's so calming and relaxing. Yes, so continue watching this video, friends. I really appreciate you, friends, for watching, for commenting, for coming to watch my videos. This means a lot, friends, and it really helps me to keep pushing for more and more videos. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back to check for more videos. So I do share classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin, how to grow your hair, how to take care of your natural crown, beautiful crown. You need to embrace it. All hair is beautiful, friends. So like the moment you moisturize your hair, the moment your hair touches water, it's going to shrink. And I'm not worried about shrinkage, friends, because it means that your hair is healthy and your hair is growing. So look at that, friends. Like our hair is so moisturized and our hair is growing. Look at that. Like it has gotten darker, more darker. So it really works, friends. Yes. So are you going to try out Clove, or probably you are planning to? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.